In education, the device a student uses is their window to the world. And with devices powered by Microsoft, access to that window has never been easier to afford, deploy, or manage. You see, students and teachers, they demand a lot from their devices. They demand long battery life, durability for multiple school years, and the power of a desktop with the mobility of a tablet. Fortunately, with brands like Lenovo, HP, Asus, Acer, and more, students are able to find devices that offer those feature sets that they're looking for at a price that they can afford. Now, once a device has been selected, setting up and managing these machines traditionally could cause some issues, even for the most experienced IT administrator. However, with Microsoft 365 Education, in just a couple of minutes, IT admins can set up a classroom or an entire school through a simple web interface. They're even able to select which apps from the Microsoft Store for Education to be preloaded on each device before they're even deployed. With Intune for Education, they can quickly set up policies to help manage each of the devices that are on their network. You don't want your students to be able to use an embedded camera or maybe the USB ports for flash drives. Intune can disable both. You're tired of handing out Wi-Fi credentials or exposing what really should be private network information to a large group of people? Intune can allow you to actually preload Wi-Fi credentials on each device so that it's already on the network when the user starts it up. Microsoft 365 Education also includes an automated enrollment program called Windows Autopilot. With it, you will not have to load a new image on new PCs ever again. Instead, Autopilot facilitates the installation and configuration of any approved software or system configurations, and all it takes is that device to be attached to a network and a domain-joined user to log in. The configuration and the installation is automatically started based off of policies that you have already created. Now, Microsoft understands that not all students learn the same way, and some students may need help in navigating those devices. Because of that, Windows devices comes with a wide range of accessibility features, such as narrator, word prediction, and eye control. Each of these can help students break down the walls that can prevent them from learning. Now, everyone knows it's easier to learn things when you're having fun doing it. So, when students can collaborate together while they learn, it just makes that experience much more fun and engaging. And with that in mind, it is known that Windows devices can easily connect to one another. So students can collaborate on projects and update their teachers automatically. In a process Microsoft calls co-authoring, students with Office 365 can work together on a project and actually actively see what the other is doing in real time. With STEM and STEAM applications such as Minecraft for education, students are able to explore and learn in environments that they love and are already familiar with. And with that same technology, teachers can access lesson plans from other teachers all over the world. Now finally, security is typically considered to be the single most important feature of any device, whether that's in the classroom or a boardroom. With Microsoft 365 Education, you'll have the opportunity to take your customers' security measures to the next level. Microsoft 365 is packed with a comprehensive security suite, normally only available for enterprise customers, and is designed to be simple to configure and deploy regardless of the organization size. Now remember, students thrive when they have access to personalized learning tools like this. It is exactly what helps to spark their creativity. As you can tell, Windows devices are tailor-made to be the perfect match to ignite that creativity in a K-12 environment.